Chris,
and we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do a tutorial for the Haunted Hill Farm Lurching Woman, which Amazon and Walmart both are selling this year, and it may be somewhere else. I thought I seen it, but it's on those two for sure.
We just picked it up.
And Jen will put the links to the
yeah,
Walmart
my links
and
will be added onto the video.
The Amazon on
at
there.
the bottom.
So
We
did
just bought it at a bidding site, so
we did, but they do sell it, and we had seen it, and that's why I was like, when I seen it on that bidding website, I was like, I'll bid on that. So first off, you get your base, and it slides together. It's a two-piece base. And you gotta make sure you stick both sides in at the same time because it's a little aggravating.
did this one not?
And you just snap it in until the pin snaps. And what is it? Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure it had the work instructions in it. And then her head and face and stuff, body, all comes out already together.
Snap lock, positive stop, and support beams to the metal base. Here, let me grab them real quick while you're doing that, because they need to see this part.
Yeah. So we already got A, B, C, and D is on here. So they line up. So D. All right. And C is the little stop when it lurches. That lays against it. And then you got your G that goes on top of this one, which has G to G.
Wait a minute, don't that one need to be?
Well, you can do that in a second. And then you got your H, goes together. Then you can pull the Carter key out on this one. This is just a support. That way when it lunges frontwards, it's got something to help hold it, to stop it. And then you have your, which is the actual cylinder. And then it goes ED and F to F. And it has pins with the Carter key in it. So just get it started.
He gets his big head out of the way.
Well, I'm sorry, I gotta be able to see too where I'm putting it at. And then it's just kind of a push pin, pushes over, and then just make sure that it's caught. Pretty simple. And then while I'm down here, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up L to L. And I always try to keep the wires on the inside. Now, you just pull up her dress. Here, come here and hold this for me for a second. A little hard because it's got like a double layer on the inside, and you got to get both of them to go over top of this. There's two fabrics, one for inside and one for the outside. And then you just kind of put this over it, push your pin in, and slide it down inside of the eye. There you go. Here, hold it up for just a second. Then you have two wires in here. One goes to the head, And one that goes to the sensor. What's she trying to grab? M. Now connect your wires M to M, which they're made to connect one way, so you shouldn't really connect them wrong. And then you got end to end. And then we'll plug up our power cord.
The arms is position. You can kind of.
Yeah, you can do the arms where you want them at, because you can kind of make.
I've waited so long in the shadows for this moment, but now I'll drag you with me into the darkness.
I really like her. Now, what was you saying about putting something heavy?
Yeah, let me turn it off real quick before it goes off again. So, this one here, which it's got Velcro, you can Velcro the dress to the front of it and stuff to cover up the base. But it does, when it lurches frontwards, you definitely have to have something pretty heavy on this to hold it to keep it from flipping upwards. It won't like flip completely over, but it comes up about that high probably. So if you're doing it on the inside, you can get a little half concrete block or a sandbag and put over it for the insides to keep it from doing that so it don't tear it up. Outside stakes should hold it, I would think, if you stake it down. But I will say the controller is on the very bottom. You want to get the video where they can see where that controller's at, which they may have seen it when I showed them the base earlier, but it's not up under the cloth and stuff. Like, so if you was to put this outside, you probably would want to put a bag over it and maybe try to put the connections up inside the bag too, just so it wouldn't get wet if you do try to put this outside, which most of the stuff says indoor or
Covered.
outdoor under a covered, under covered porch or something. So
She would be cool.
we put a lot of stuff outside that doesn't say to go outside. And we
She
don't have
would
any
be
problems
cool
with it,
on
but-
a porch
I think
and a
so.
corner.
Especially if you could find a dark spot where you couldn't see it.
I was
real
gonna
good,
say,
it
why
would
don't you
sense.
turn the light off real quick and we'll do her in the dark. All right, we're gonna dark out for a minute.
Put some kind of one of them like the blue lights maybe, or a black light.
You were my world. Your absence left a hole. Deep within my barren soul. But surely you had to know I will not let go.
I like how her eyes didn't light up until she lunged forward.
And her mouth lights up too. I like that. I like her.
Oh, I do too. I love her. I think. Well, plus we're trying to get some jump scares. We didn't really have a bunch. We've started buying a couple, so we're starting to get a few jump scares. We got Dagger Mike. We've got her. We've got the Nun.
We've got all the,
and
what
now
are those other ones called? Pneumatic?
I've got the pneumatic ones from Lowe's that they sold, not last year, but the year before, that we never even put out. We bought on discount, so
Yep.
this year we're going to put them out. So, but with that being said, thanks guys, and please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content, and if you got any comments, put them in the comment section below, and
Yep.
we'll try to get back with you as quick as possible. And just so you know, we really do appreciate y'all watching our videos, and
Yes, thank you.
we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Happy Halloween.